Dolphins, intelligent and social marine mammals, possess captivating qualities. They are highly adept swimmers, using their streamlined bodies and powerful tails to glide effortlessly through the water. Dolphins display remarkable communication skills, using a combination of clicks, whistles, and body movements to interact with each other. They are known for their playful nature, often engaging in acrobatic displays and riding the bow waves of boats. Dolphins also exhibit remarkable intelligence, with studies showing their ability to solve complex problems and demonstrate self-awareness. These captivating creatures continue to fascinate and inspire awe in humans.